Now, what about art? So there is one study in the literature that I found that does look at the financial case for art. And it was a multi-center study with the first author was Dr. Nanda and his team. And I want to point this out because this kind of study needs multidisciplinary teams to do these kinds of studies. So they had American Art Resources, Interior Design, Texas A&M Architecture, Department of Psychiatry. It really requires a team that incorporates all of these disciplines in order to do these kinds of measures. And what they found in this study where they looked at the effect of art on anxiety and agitation in a mental hospital, they put art in a common room. So it wasn't in the patient's rooms, it was in a common room where these acute psychiatric patients spent some portion of their day, maybe 50% of their day, in that common room. So they weren't in there all the time. And they left the art there for 2 weeks. They did not tell the nurses what they were doing or why they were putting the art there or not. And then they looked at the amount of medication that was dispensed, the PRN medication for agitation or violent behavior or anxiety. And they measured the number of episodes of these behaviors. And they found a significant reduction in the condition where they had mainly nature art in this common room. A reduction in all of these behaviors and the PRN medication, and they were able to calculate about a $20,000 saving simply by putting art in the common room. Now, how simple is that? It's not going to have side effects. It's not going to have any risks. And it was nature art.